How close are you to your financial dreams? Welcome to our channel, where today we delve into a fun and creative way to visualize your financial aspirations. We're going to introduce you to an empowering DIY project, a vision board for manifesting cash abundance. This isn't just a craft project, it's a tangible representation of your financial goals, helping you to concentrate and maintain focus on what you want to manifest. Ready to manifest your cash abundance? Let's dive in. Firstly, let's understand what a vision board is. Picture a tool that helps you clarify, concentrate, and maintain focus on your life goals. That's your vision board. It's a collage of images and words that represent what you aspire to achieve. Imagine it as a visual representation of your dreams, a roadmap to your future, if you will. Now, how does a vision board come into play when we're talking about manifesting cash abundance? Think of it as a daily reminder of your financial goals. Whether you're aiming to increase your income, attract more clients, or kick off a successful business, your vision board serves as a constant, inspiring reminder of where you're headed. The power of visualization is immense, and when combined with the tangible nature of a vision board, it can be a potent tool in your journey towards financial prosperity. Now that we know what a vision board is, let's gather our materials. It's time to gather what you'll need to create your vision board. First on our list is a poster board, the canvas for your dreams. Next, scour through a variety of magazines. They're treasure troves of inspiring images and powerful words. Don't forget scissors and glue sticks for cutting and pasting your dreams into reality. To personalize, grab markers or pens and any decorative items that tickle your fancy. These will add a touch of you to the board. With our materials ready, let's start building our vision. With your materials at hand, it's time to start building your vision. Now, you might wonder, how do I choose the right images and words for my vision board? Well, it's all about resonance. Look for images and words that deeply resonate with your financial goals. If you're aiming to increase your income, for instance, you might opt for pictures of lavish lifestyles or words like wealth and prosperity. As you leaf through your magazines, let your instincts guide you. If an image catches your eye or a word speaks to your aspirations, cut it out. There's no right or wrong here. This is your vision board, after all. Once you've gathered a good collection of images and words, it's time to arrange them on your board. There's no set template for this. Some prefer a structured approach with different sections for different goals. Others like a more organic layout, letting the images and words flow naturally across the board. Again, let your instincts guide you. As you arrange your images and words, you might find yourself reshuffling them, adjusting them, fine-tuning their placements. That's okay. This is your journey towards manifesting cash abundance, and it's meant to be an evolving process. With our vision board complete, it's time to put it to use. Your vision board is ready. Now let's put it to work. This isn't just a piece of art. It's a tool, a daily reminder of your financial aspirations. Place it somewhere you can't miss, somewhere you'll see it frequently. Maybe that's in your office, on your bedside table, or even as your computer's wallpaper. Seeing your vision board daily isn't about obsession, it's about maintaining focus. Now, this is where the magic happens. Each day, take a moment to stand before your vision board. Visualize yourself achieving the goals it represents. Feel the joy, the excitement, the sense of accomplishment. This isn't daydreaming, this is you mentally and emotionally aligning with your goals. But let's be clear, visualization isn't a substitute for action, it's a catalyst. It's about creating a mindset of abundance, of believing in your ability to achieve your financial goals. With this mindset, you're primed to seize opportunities, to take inspired action. Remember, the power of a vision board isn't just in its creation, it's in its use. It's a tool to keep your financial goals front and center, to inspire daily actions aligned with those goals, and most importantly, to foster a belief in your ability to manifest abundance. Start manifesting your financial goals today with your vision board, and remember to believe in your abundance.